possibilities.
Yedosu for Yankopon said no ode yenkwa acheye ode odi achew no ode me de achemi na yenyina yedasu won kwante asenkwa de e wase yede aseda kese pa na yeso yede manyankopon na duminti e o enye ono anke bi ekoda ya yansori yentimi bisa na sembia ye no obia any questions and answer session bia eye ade achiem bia me ma wakwa aba me ma wachi bebia wo bia Coastal TV echiawo na yejide nso se anopai wo so TV no wo de ato eye channel 514 na wo hwe wo phone ne so na wo hwe wo Facebook and YouTube so a ye ma wakwa aba ene ye ntina sanse haye pa ene ye ntina midino eye AFIBA ESSIEN ene OMAR bin ABDULLAH ebeka me ho na ye de anopai dwumedie no ye de ababesomo enti hyene so saa ene ebedi enkomo ewo fie ha sei na ye nyina ye nim se ye wa afahemrem ena ye sanso eba bedidwa enti Central Expo at 5 ye bedi enho enkomo ewo fie ha sei enti mpanyinfo ba beka yensa na ye no mo atwetwe enkomo enti bomode ansa be mu we fie na da ha sanse wo yi free wan anso wo yi free ho na mpanyinfo na bane no omudi ko eba ne sanso a na wahwe ade nti bomode na oni yentina but answer na no yenni kan na yemfa nkranhye nsem kakra emma ye ho yemfa enhye ye ho kran anopai answer na ya hye dwumadie no as na anopai asema me pese me no ka no eyetia wa ye nche wo ho also take time to improve but don't waste time to improve. Take time to improve, but do not waste time to improve. Na me enchemu kakra metimi e de amaye ene se ye betimi agimre na ye de asiesie ye ho ye de aboaboa ye ho na ye de akoye ni metumpon wate ase na emom no ye nhwe se sa time no sa emre na ye se ye de siesie ho na enkoye emre bi a ye waste enkoye mre bi a eho enko banfa so enfa my all in the name of ye pese ye improve and also say ye koye nim nti no na obehwe na ye take time tintin ai bi anka ye betimi a chemu mienu na ye de ayesa improvement na ye de ne aka no aya de foforo enti wo gimre se wo pese wo ntumpon wa brabo mu nsiesie ho fanya homboa obibi ho no bomoden ase won waste emre won se emre wati ase ewo saa adeyo no emu na ade ba kwa me no eho hia me anopempo wo saa motivation message we mu mpo no saa time na or emphasizing no there's a difference between using time and wasting time ana minim se yen Ghana phobia no so ye mu be very notorious with time wasting ye pe time wasting pa na obesimi akacho say Ghana man time ne de ye nko no that time ye be catch say program ne start 10 or no be call 11:30 because e hye ne trim say okwantem kra na ne mfefo mantem eni no obe call 11:30 sa na obi nso wati baby nso doing the same thing na wo dwen no aye no ntino no nso mpese obe kwantem obi fufuro nso so doing the same thing nso say group no mo ye 50 na wo say mo nko program na 50 ni nyina dwen say obi be late into one contem but sanka 50 ni nyina etimi eye adwen ba ko say ye nyina ye contem say na be ye be pontem ye contem ni ahye program na sentem ni awie ntem ni akofie ntem a ankasa lateness and sa time wasting no emba aya na ye young people and also say in our day-to-day activities ye dream say we have a lot of time on our hands into no ye bibia yes no anyhow currency ba ko a say sure wa wontimi nkofa the back time so sure time a wontimi nkofa the back and the 28th of August 2026 about 7:53 anope no Minya sa 7:53 on the 28th of August 2026 ni biem. Minya biema this next year, but anya 2026, about 2027. And we start 2026 time no, machine no forever. What you say? Enti no, so o jemmere na wo pese o mfa nye bibi na nye yi na wo pese o mfa ntumpo o pese o mfa nsese o ho o pese o mfa nye bibi papa no make sure say sa time no wo mfa ma ne mbro so o waste no ne mo be use time ni weekend ya ye kwe me pa cho me nko waste time use your time ye time is money. Ni oka asasam no wentwantro use your time years and be ya own waste with time. And in no pay we na Coastal TV money mix ye de ma ye de share the weekend na say already. Aye, thank God it's Friday. I say no ye de motivation we no share the weekend no I say na Tell me can no come over and some of why be the and someone so was saying come once. The signs no the yen try when jab from cracks on near bar near dear no as so live and colored Coastal TV channel 514. Yeah, but here.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa Bambo hu hiya ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol anafango no na afenso menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa kodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwenso uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun asobone ewo apomodensem so fango nso eho ahometinti no enfomso akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum jejuma yefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano utumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi eho hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
It's Sir Justin World Music. Jaja, it's Victor. What a ranking. Come fi tell them. For the Lord, I won't be the best. Anywhere them call people, may them call me first. Like the birds, they turn in at the nest. Father, hear my prayer request. Oh Lord, I won't be the best. Anywhere them call people, may them call me first. Like the birds, they turn in at the nest. Father, hear my prayer request. Prayer request. Say, I want to go back to mama if I don't make time for you. Say, I want to go back to her. I say, I don't make time for you. I say, me don't fear cause me get jaja. I tell them, say, my blessing is nana. Oh Lord, give me keys to the beamer. Just one dinner with my Rihanna. Oh Lord, I want to be the boss. I don't want to lose. When I enter darkness, make you be my thought. You know my baby no go happy if I don't give her the best. Oh Lord, this be my prayer. For the Lord, I won't be the best. Anywhere them call people, may them call me first. Like the birds, they turn in at the nest. Father, hear my prayer request. Oh Lord, I won't be the best. Anywhere them call people, may them call me first. Like the birds, they turn in at the nest. Father, hear my prayer request. Prayer request. So me guys say, boss, boss. When me stepping out the street, everybody does it. Boss, boss. When man I touch down the road, man I pull up in a Posh, Posh. All of the people will look down on me, tell them make them lost, lost. I pray to God make he secure the connect. The problem no pass where see them be wallet. My heart desire for like to armor. So when them bring the bill I no go down. I go get back to you. Now wash. I don't forget my token again. Now wash. They go I go do am for you. Now wash. Oh Lord, waiting they want. Oh Lord, I won't be the best. And you hear them come people make them come the best. And like a bird see down in the nest. Father, hear my prayer request. Oh Lord, I won't be the best. Anywhere them call people, may them call me first. Like the birds, they turn in at the nest. Father, hear my prayer request. Prayer request. So me guys say, boss, boss. When me stepping out the street, everybody does it. Boss, boss. When man I touch down the road, man I pull up in a Posh, Posh. All of the people will look down on me, tell them make them lost, lost. Big strong stop.
Medidi Itina mele mamili nanka. Move abedim parts. Come Kofi Kenata. Yeah. The hustle and a pa on your ability to be. I had a yanda, and be ha, maybe me. Fisensa, 1 year you man did. Intina million, and did. Now so make a baby, no air, no name, maybe I had then and Amanya me uninyada ki akontu musam asisi kwa shemu wakeka dem ni bina menke ono wejimi de on the phone so the phone pack so jafo na wale guide no sisi kwa shemu wakeka dem ni bina menke ono wejimi de on the phone so the phone pack so jafo na wale guide no shali mame una meleka na yawo de na meleka. I want to move some yelling in Anayaka. Iti, but the master beginningamo Yamina. I am sent to the Hustle mini baby da. Some yard party then Yamina was some yard out over Yamia Wawestella. What she gets it for heart trick, no, Jehovah Yamia Wawestella. What's the bet you go okay? Mama, Tafu in Yansroya. Mama, my son and my no. Mama wankada nyami aya somono na wayi no akuido anya no ko. Mama una meleka na yawode na meleka. Abantu munsam yeli na yaka. Asisi kwa shemuko. Wakika dem ni bina menke ono weji muda on the phone. So the phone pack a soldier for now while I guide it knows this is a show. What can I be in a banker or no when you need on the phone? So the phone pack a soldier for now while I guide it knows. Be my soul, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. See, mama, mama, my yes, man, mama, one cadena, so no, you know, queen, I be come I no long time. Missy Mesha Bafa Habia come out for a long time. Brother Mesha Bayawahano Wayana come I Missy Mesha Bafa Wahano Oguana come out for that dog. Not to be so, what you got a baby in a mental, you be done the
Mezanso mawakwaba eba Coastal TV morning mix anope so na ye wo kase boba komie bi e wo se ye de to manim ansana ye de program kaini na atwa so na ye beko National Environmental Protection Authority for Akache EPA na ye nyina nim se styrofoam ban na mo pese omode etoso no kofo bebre na ewo ho asem ka na press conference bi announce nhyiamu bi ekoso ewo mpanyfo no akache nti no yebekọ ne yakotie mu amanebo ne EPA boss okaye efasa ensensemi eho sa enso ena se yebepie mu ewo Cape Coast enso a Ken Queen Properties and Investment and omoye commissioning and dedication new projects for omoye Emma Academy of Christ the King Senior High School no and also amanieba ewomu wo ho no yede ni nyina ebebre yetiefo anope of course yebekwa adwaman so ne yakwa kwahwe full price a ewo ho nti bomode ase woni we fidie no emfree Coastal TV digital channel 514 Yesha se ewo Environmental Protection Authority for Akache EPA na ni nyina aban ani mpanyfo nhyehyɛ a omaye ne se nyame adoma afi edi enimu bosome edi kan January emu no product friend se styrofoam se wonim styrofoam na metimi a kyerɛ mu kakra sa material na ye take away packs no disa okoto o take away okoto o indomie ne ade na sa pack na ye de aduane no gum ne ye de amaw no eno na mpanyfo aye ne se wose ye hwe na ye bane ewo Ghana ha sei san se niema bebre se niema bebre o Ghana ha sei o hwe ye gatas mu o hwe ye mpotem nwura abuso pa no sa styrofoam we no edimu akotene bebre ewo ho nti wose ye na ye bane ye hwe ne hu ne se ye nkra bi ema Ghana na se ye bi so o Ghana so ye nya ne biem ewo Ghana ha sei enti ano ene hyehyɛ mpanyfo ay moadwensa nyame adoma afi edi enim no ye de beye adwuma na mum enwuma ko bebre eka wasem ankrankra bebre nso no eka sa hyehyɛ ho asem enwuma ko bi te sɛ enwuma ko a mu produce rubber ewo Ghana ha sei no omo ewo nsem bebre eka ewo ho emo mumpo eka se ba bonten be kan se sa abanpo abe na adwen se obe bane sa styrofoam wenpo na ontwen kakra na mum ane nya no enimanimu ya na ankrankra bi so a omode styrofoam edi dwuma no enso eka nsem bebre efa ho na nhyiamu a ekọ so ewo EPA headquarters ankasa no na maame nana ama Brown Kluche ono ene ye penipa oda EPA Ghana ano ono ne EPA boss na ode ensem bebre etudwa efasa enhyehyeye ya aban pese oye ne niempanyfo nso ade agu akwema omo pese omo ye na mepese ye betie ne okaye ne bi.
Thank you, Emefa. Thank you, Papa Kumasi. Thank you all for being here to support the Environmental Protection Authority and to support the dream of His Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. The President wants to protect every Ghanaian. The President has seen that the health impact of the styrofoam is grave for us. The records of the health implications is becoming too many. This is the time for all of us to agree and accept that we are at this point to take a decision to stop eating in the styrofoam packs, to stop sleeping on styrofoam mattresses, to stop packaging our products with the styrofoam materials. At the EPA, our major concern is the environment. And so we know also from our observations from studies that these styrofoam and by extension single-use plastics, after use, we are not able to dispose them properly. So they end up in our gutters, they end up in our streets. As you have heard it many times here, they block our gutters, choke our gutters, and when it rains, with just a little rain, we get our communities flooded. The major flooding we are seeing, as again you have heard, is because of the styrofoams and because of the single-use plastics. We want to bring all of this suffering that Ghanaians are going through to an end. And it should take a bold decision. We should take a bold decision. The alternatives are here. So we are not just saying you should stop eating in the takeaway bowls. We are providing the alternatives for you. So didi, na say bow way, there, and ye free moi. Me did say, very comfortable eating in it. Na the ye did munina dadano. Petrol, and I ye. To me the petrol at to a dear and mana egg with you and wedi. Me did say you won't do that. Won't fat petrol and go with you. It's a the idea I had the aye, the other company aye, the other idea aye, the other every kube, the idea and a horno, and more a horno, rice hacks, coconut hacks, sugar cane. Any idea product way mo. Yes, I'm quite that them. I have no young quoted them, young the deal I sank him. And then I to see as I say a sign call back, echo the doom. Sano. Ebeboa na ya po modeno ejina so se de ya na nanom kanenefo no omunyi cheye no na at the same time no we no so eco environment na and hygiene bebre ye hwe aluminium foil na wo ha ye to recycle nti wo didi mu wie kra na wo de to ball mu a omo be fa omo be yi aluminium na firi mu ye nim de ye de aluminium to me, Yama Baby, and the other the same, yet to me recycle. Into yet, say, yeah, eco friendly. The ever boy environment, no, and on a ya home, ya home, the rule, Cecia. Munya, no fanciful. Yet, Kumase, dance me in that fanciful, will go ha. Yakasa Baby, Pennyful, Ezikan Abakasa, Ibiaka Brofo, Ibiaka Wana, Ibiaka Asante. Chi kasa ne bebre baba me didi dende yabeka hausa kasa suwom yabeka dagbani ni nyina yenyim de obia owo market ha another Ghana fo wo kuro bia don ebi wo kejetia market ha yenyim bo a kejetia market wo som na za waya ebi oka hen environment na ebi oka hen na apomizan enti ye jan kejetia market a ye declare there ye na Ghana fo ye na ye jatum there campaign na ye from EPA there say here president what say here there yen jay there yeze take away containers yet to zibano yeah dam campaign yeah pahotam wo kedetia market ha until there you declare the campaign ban on the awareness or the education on the awareness of the styrofoam ban officially launched. Thank you very much. Before I make one so, me pade, mema obia so tase dem. Ye pade Ghana ni bia ohu ana ote dam kese no. January 1st onye tribiara ye sha asifiti May ya gbadi hu de wura ebesi in there. In fact, you bought to put your account check the last year. Wabra here president Nanka Sampo Ozu Kanaka Wansam. Into Embre Waka Yenyuman on Dorso. January 1st, Yampedi Ebo styrofoam another take away pack CB will chrome bill. Into ya Canada man, into ya videos and adverts. Ebo who with TV though. AFIBA to be yan media houses. What's what Bob Wahan? Now our ball and now we play. Now every Ghanaian will get to hear. Yan radios, yan TV. Oh yeah, yan soon yen. Now kwana yaba fada yebe jam. Oh yeah, styrofoam use. Now ya call akafa alternatives another. Afofra. Yes abano. No so wabatu no who dewu. Ne na yanya aso. Ne yente. Ne yenzi embra nodo dama ose. Usa nefi January rokwan. Yam penny there obia ebe use. If you are EPA, you better wait to Chrome. Yani assembly, yani police for, yani impaying for, I food and drugs authority, you know, you better wait to Chrome. Now you are Boama, Damidu Medim, ye chado, Emma.
Professor Nana Amma Brown Kluchi and Ote say or Casano no and Oko EPA where boss penny power dano the whole Ghana ono na eda EPA ano ono ena yete say or kasa afa sa styrofoam product eho yet also ana ye kwa kopiemu ewo Academy of Christ the King Senior High School and Ken Queen Properties and Investments for Akache na enra na eye enije enra na eye ahohoho pa sanse Ken Queen Properties and Investments adwuma no empaying for ebo modern eye project kese Emma eye Academy of Christ the King Senior High School ni nyina eye school gate a omobo modern esi ni fefefe painting ni fefefe na omode share school empaying for no ensa Jumedie kuku dam bebre na ebepie mu ho na osabere ma Dr. Kwesiata a otoso mienu enso etietia ne chacha mu onne ne mpanyimfo ena mo epie jumedie no ase ema bibia ekoye na bibia ekototin na yenhwe ne ekoso ewo enra jumedie no ase Enti no yeguswa na ye bomodin se ye benya video no ama yetefo ani ahwefo nti yenhwe ni mu na enche kra ye de ebe bremo na ye fi won so ana ye momodin na yenko edwaman so ene eye the 28th of August 2026 no se uko fuel prices shelf me pa shelf facha me uko filling stations that hodo e wo Ghana ha say na e wo say onhwe na wonhu prices ayewo say petrol say diesel na obeto I was say momodin na wonhu ni nyina na omfa nye wahoboa ene ntino ene date no se obomodin na ukopie mu ewo Shell filling station bia na petrol na auto a 1 liter 15 cedis 99 pesos Samsung ena diesel no 17 cedis 59 pesos Go filling station petrol 1 liter 15 cedis 99 sa ena diesel so 17 cedis 26 pesos na ukopie mu Star Oil enso a petrol 1 liter 15 cedis 49 pesos ena diesel no 16 cedis 97 pesos Zen filling station and so as a petrol 1 liter 15 cedis 20 pesos and a diesel near 16 cedis 46 pesos wow Benab filling station and so no petrol 1 liter 14 cedis 90 pesos and a diesel near 16 cedis 70 pesos Frames Oil and so say petrol 1 liter 14 cedis 87 pesos and a diesel near 16 cedis 75 pesos JP filling station Bianzo no petrol 1 liter 14 cedis 53 pesos and a diesel 16 cedis 97 pesos Total Energies and so petrol 13 cedis 99 pesos and a diesel near 15 cedis 95 pesos na Pacific filling station and so a petrol near 12 cedis 79 pesos and a diesel near 15 cedis 98 pesos petrol so and so saying petrol 1 liter 11 cedis 98 pesos and a diesel no 12 cedis 98 pesos when you na a filling stations ahodo bi ho na ni nyina ewo cdrate.com so obomode na okoho na okosa website ni so a obehu filling stations nkaya aka no enyina yede anopeka sebo no ebesi asei na efe ye twa ye ho agye aboafo nkrato ye ba yede de ubon krata ye saka no yede bebre ye tiefo ni ahwefo.
Welcome to King Queen Properties and Investments Limited, your trusted partner in land sale, property investment, and apartment rentals right here in Cape Coast. Whether you are searching for the perfect plot of land, a modern apartment, or investment opportunities that secure your future, King Queen delivers with integrity and excellence. We don't just sell properties, we build dreams. Our expert team provide building drawings and architectural designs tailored to your vision. Choosing King Queen Properties and Investments Limited means choosing reliability, professionalism, and a future built on solid ground.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we will deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawo bambo hu hia ukane. Enti no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya kwenhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosisa petrol anafango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya kwenhia ne ho akwa kodwitwa videos ana pictures na petrol anafango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsu aso bone ewo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so akitu ebi ebetumi ameja tom amana gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hihye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa wo nkwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo hu se fuo tanka bi enya kwanhia na dane amafango no ebugu mpa hwa na wa aman ho da stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no mo mehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority enede bro.
I'm coming there. Yes, I'm Mama Kwaba bi Coastal TV morning mix na wuguso a wo hwe no. Na asa ne de ubo enkrata no ebe bro no. Mamemfa we eye enkaibo we emfentwem emfa emma. Na ne atiase akwanya no de aba ama obi a opese osua news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, so na opese wonya na voice training and diction na opese wonye interview techniques na opese unsia journalism digital journalism na opese unsia na media ethics any media law ni nyina ye betrew e wa hase esan se Coastal TV multimedia productions de na ochinsia 6 weeks bi de esi wa ye intensive radio and TV training program yade ama obia na ni begina no kombedo se obesua nyama boboso yi enyina na ne ewo ni se sanyame adom na uwie wo training program no so a akonya bebre wo ha obetimi aye internship bebi a opa bia se ye TV se ye radio na opa wo ni nyina obetimi aye se Coastal TV na opa se wonye wo internship na akonya no wo ho na momoni ngi TV ho opa se wonye radio ni nyina aye wo partner radio stations a ye obesimi akwa ye internship no ewo ho na aboa amonya hands on skills ni nyina eka ho nti bomodi asa obeba Coastal TV ye Pedu Morocco Park ne so agrofie na wababefa o form na se opesa wo friends na wo mbisa bibia so information bia wo hia simple opesa ye ma direction na bre ansa na waba Coastal TV fia ansa so number no 0246 731 371 0246 731 371 na befa o form ana se bisa se bia ho se wo bisa na yemma wo enchemu sene ese enti no eno ene enkaiba anope yedi twam ansana yede eye anope kaseboyi sorry meche de ubonkrata no yede amao ye share the ubonkrata na say every eye the daily graphic na say property rates can yield 20 billion Ghana cedis yearly, local government minister designates says at vetting and see way eye ora mahama ayarega aban apane se ono na yemfa no enko Ministry of Local Governance and yes, Ministry of Local Government na enom ho vetting na ye bisa ne nsensem toto na no na o kyerem se eba no property rate wajapade a wo ne yese tuya ho kana tuya ho tax na tuya ho etuo bia na ni se ye sha se ye sa de ne aye ne ye wo Ghana ha se yese kai be betimi ama aban no AFIBA no ejina bet 20 billion Ghana cedis nti eno ne asema Mahama Yarega okaye na President Mahama cut sword for multiple airport projects. Into we so amani bobi efi wo ba se omampanyi John Dramani Mahama or the aso akwa from se airport project ahodo bi a ekoso wo Ghana ha se no eno so enko environmental crimes. Now she was say galamsey na ye to ase na so akwa say apoto bibre na enkoda no o se nyame ya adom na o resume ne position na obetimi a fight sa galamsey ensensem ni nyina e wo Ghana ha say GCB Bank ranks top in 4 industry metrics. Okay, and no yet also our the chronicles and so I say osahin epitome of honesty. Mahama Yarega eulogizes minority leader. Na Mahama Yarega nwa ne veteran aseno na minority leader osahin afeyo marking ono no de se ba no say yendi nukura pa de a in fact ofanekwa nukura die ofanekwa say o hwehwe obi a odi nukura na wo hia afeyo marking asan wachi esanse wo nipa o hwehwe do AFAG demands forensic audit of gold board. Na ejumako bi e friend say AFAG and omo so e kire mu say was say yenye forensic audit e wo gold board ejumamu ho say ne be ya bibia ebeto na kwem na pefe ye ebedadi Anodombre Grails is a nature on plastic waste climate finance. Nti Anodombre enra during the vetting of Mame Zanato Rollins so ebisa ne nsem bia efa plastic waste ho ene climate financing, climate change financing eno enso ho nti eno so ye nsem bia free the chronicles ba ye to so ewo new weekend crusading guide. Okay, now Jim said 1.7 billion Ghana cedis board loss claim doesn't add up. IEA dispute says figure represents revenue, foreign exchange valuation differences, not actual losses. And see IEA and paying for any ejumai for and Jim say sa ekana 1.7 billion Ghana cedis na say gold board abono figures no and shut down kodi ye and come ye papa and shut down sisi so as answer osha we no enye sika bia gold board ashre nemum no bibia efri eka bia betimi efri exchange rate differences nemu nti Ghana cedis to US dollars differences wom ene ade nemum anya se bia eka bi no mabo wo ha na se modwuma mo ye no mabo ho ka de bi nemum e bia na exchange rate differences na wom no eno na ama we nyina aba. Marking is paragon of honesty. Okay, Medin can ho asem da. Armed robbers attack mining sites with orders from above. Kill one, take over Narawa mine concession in Heman. Na armed robbers fobi akwakoto ashe Narawa mining concession what Heman makwakoto ashe jumayefo ni so acha so mokum nipa baako. Omakum nipa baako na omaje edwumamu nyina age aboso chese they've taken over the workplace na omukwae no omasem omode kwae ni se we orders from above no say hwan above someone a ma omo sa instruction say omo nko this ejuma na omo di ewo Narawa mine concession ewo hima no ho no and they obi dim na mom am Roberts for ne say orders from above. Okay. Published the NIB report, Brim Youth Association petitions Chief of Staff over extortion allegations against MCE. Enti Brim mebuna ewo Brim na omoche mu say events reporter ewo NIB investigation no emu no efa omo MCE a owo ho sesia no allegations bi a ekọ so extortion allegation bi say wajiji sika fi nkofo bi ho ne ade allegations bi a ekọ so ewo sa MCE na kachi report omo ye investigation omo ye report omo nya no omo momode na omo mohun dehuru la omo fantuja mu bia ehun ne ekọ so ewo ho ankasa Abanga promises 4 million youth votes for Baumia in 2028. All right. Yet also the Ghanaian publisher enso DNA Emsano pay afenyo marking any Mahama Ayariga nkomodi e course wo vetin say afenyo marking obi a odini hu ni odini kre no eno no ensem ne wo ha sei. Now 1.7 billion Ghana cedis GDPP loss, it's accounting, not gold board loss, IEA in some now kind and also never say John Bodu's bid vow, I'll build NPP and mobilize for Baumia. Into John Bodu essay obebwa MNCC akoso ewo NPP amanyo konim na efe so wabwa edomano ede ama Baumia. Okay. The Ghanaian Times and so Edin Sembi about church operators defy fair directives. Commuters pay up to 30% more on some routes. And then you know, paying for adi year or more say increase in fare prices no much chance no. It can be say driver for boha or more in Nissan share no so esan say ebi mu 8 ya up to 30% increment. I want no mutia dadano so na. And only in summer, Mr. Joseph Bukari Nipe, Air Transport Minister, or the Tuja. Okay. Paul wrote crashes cost Ghana $4.55 billion annually. World Bank and na or cancer and semi. Or say Ghana ya kwanya enye. I know enam so emma accidents bebre esi. Na yeshri niema bebe including lives impono se okekani na boma AFIBA no sika that's why estimation no about $4.55 billion. World Bank and kase minister designates to overhaul property rate collection, plans nationwide property identification exercise. Into no minister designates Mahama Ayariga na ne kase o chem se nyame ya adoma ye be or planning bibi friends nationwide property identification exercise nti wo bi a wo property wo se wontua ho tax a wontua ho tax o edwuma bi wo dan wo bibia wo se wontua ho eto a wontua ye no sa nationwide property identification exercise we no ebeka sankofo ni na ma ya gigi obi a ne tax wo se wontua no GCB Bank, GCB staff to deliver 95 social impact projects nationwide. Into ways so a year, GCB omo NHB or my year said na me adoman ombe project maku 95 nina ye social project a ebeboa ama asitinem akoye ewo Ghana has. All right, until no year for the Ghanaian Times. Yekopiemo ewo punch a newspaper anopeya and also essay and Loga Junction in turmoil. Traders, transport operators cry to Otunfo over eviction threat. And to know nkofwa ton ade ewo and Loga Junction and nkofwa church drivers and taxi drivers ewo ho no na omode esu kese esu afre Otunfo say omra no meyo omomoa esan say ye tu omo efri baby omo wo nti omra no meye wo mo emwa. Oforikrom NCE delivers fertilizer support to farmers. Into kopiemu ewo Oforikrom so MCE owo no eye emwa bi akwa koma ekuafo eye in the form of fertilizers ewo ho no. Okay. Stroke cases among Ghanaians aged 30 to 49 warrant. When you a PWAC CEO calls for urgent action. All right. Coca engages race course traders and her pledges stronger grassroots connection. Nzukopiomo race course and so on. Coca Asante Regional NPP chairman and now on no more quakodiesia, no more ton idea race cross on no more quakodiesia, no chim say a free net elco near friend say grassroots involvement no a because we pa inclusivity no a besha say from the grassroots hono inti moi moye NPP amanyo ko ne manamo na moye grassroots mo na mo form grassroots base na nkasa no sa connection na me kon be mo say what be involve mu ni bibia oye. PURC brings ECG, Gridco and GWL together to address voltage challenges in Ashanti. PURC enyumekwa Ghana nyina ehwe utilities eso eye nsuo electricity ne ne kan kan ho ehwe so no ono so omode sa omode ECG ene Gridco ene Ghana Water Company Limited aba like omo aye nhemu bi ebeboa ama eye nsensem bia ekoso efa no utility nsensem bia ekoso ewo Ashanti region no ombehwe no maso ano ewo ho. All right. Seminar what the meridian no I think makani nyina ntimecham na makọ the daily analyst na ochese Supreme Court nominees 3 recommended for approval and internal Supreme Court a lawyer for yabo mudin se omonko no monko ka a lawyer for a Supreme Court no ehono omoya miensa but akase yebeye omo vet na efempenfo aje omotum say you omotena egwamu ewo Supreme Court a eyeye nti no so ne nsem bi free hoba. Ghana's economy posts strongest growth in 6 years. World Bank and HM say Ghana ye economy no infinsia ababetwemu ko na ababetwemu ko no ye ya kire se ye nyini ensonso ye eba improvement eba. OSP versus Ken Oforiatta SML and others case adjourned to September 29. Enti OSP ene Ken Oforiatta as insensem no SML case any case in Kaibia e kan wa ekoso e wo court no court ahye se yentu nkwhye September 29th ansana yedi sa case na san establish na so biem. Police ban concrete mixer trucks on Accra Tema route. 3-day restriction takes effect on Friday. Na police for ahye se trucks are yede mix concrete. Those are trucks na ye mix concrete ewo mu no mo emfa Accra to Tema road no eso I think 3 days ban bi and omode atoso na nyame adoma Friday and as a ban no ebe sha say eye adwuma. So I'm thinking by next week Monday ni there no maybe kwan. Mahama inaugurates 1 billion Ghana cedis Boko revitalization committee. All right. Yantuaso ewo Supreme newspaper. Okay, nyema wo han bebre na maka hwasem. But Zoom Lion launches this disinfestation exercise across Upper East region. Nzukopemu ewo Upper East region se sia na Zoom Lion ejumeko no a launch bibi e friend say disinfection any disinfestation exercise that wo ni na ese na be ya se fumigation exercise o mu yesa na be ya mwa infection bia unity here and there no o betimi aso ano once and for all. The daily searchlights and so ede ensembi aba. Okay, waka afag any gold board asem no waka ho asem dada. And minority walks out over rushed vetting of Supreme Court nominees. Yo, vetting elkoso ema Supreme Court nominees a lawyer for na you omuso monko join Supreme Court a lawyer for no vetting na elkoso no minority dom kuma e wo mrahye bedwem say omode omo ntinem na omo madwumadi na nkoso ntino omo work out omo epie free vetting center ho. The Discover newspaper say we are not angry enough to deal with Galamsey. Presby moderator and na HM say Ghana for ankasa Ghana for na Galamsey say dwuma edi nya na haye no yankasa ye bufu ye enough asa bufu na ewe mu no en ano nya den enough say ebeko etia Galamsey eno ne nsem ye free Presby moderator eho na eba. Baumia engages small-scale miners on reforms for responsible mining. Baumia, flag bearer for New Patriotic Party (NPP), akwakoshia small-scale miners. Na ni nyina enkomo mudi no se ne be ya responsible mining na ehote mining na enya Galamsey mining na emfo how bia emre o mine na ehon komo enomukodi. Parliament approves Ayariga Zanato and as ministers nti mrashe bedwam agye atum se Mahama Ayariga ene Mame Zanato Rollins omonko na omonko di omudwuma as ministers se ne aban apa wo mu ho entuma no weyi wo mu se omonko ye no. Okay. Suspended Catholic priest found at police training center. Let's go for it, yeah. Sorry. Now, I think story no meti and say they can't find omuhu Catholic priest bi wayira ye hwehwe no ahwehwe ne sa ye hu no na omoni ekoba omo so na wakakopiem ewo police training center bi ewo kofori say oji training as a policeman sana memete no. I don't know, this one too is saying suspended. I don't know, so almost suspended and sana ojani o. So ojani and sana almost suspending no, but no problem. Life hard though. Life hard to the extent that even a Catholic priest I say obey a policeman instead of becoming a Catholic priest. Hey, oh well, I don't know any means here or chooses a decision. No. The Inquisitor Julius Debra wants tougher action against vigilantism. Inti Julius Debra ena ode sa ensemi etuja se asotwea ano odin enko emma omo be engage in those vigilantism activities ne ade no yen twoma so papa. Ayaga praises Aveyo Markin as man of integrity, forthright. Inti ano nso ni nsem bia maka wasam da. Okay. Regulating forensic science, Ghana getting late. Expect caution and call for national lab. Okay, we know about forensic science. I think Ghana, most of the forensic in Yemanyama, most of it, they call outside and because we don't have a proper forensic lab. Our Ghana has say I'll be carry out those duties. Most of them no they call outside no makwa amaye no and expect be we say forensic expect be we say emra so Ghana yanka say be proper lab be carry out all these things for us. The catalyst newspaper say vigilantes will face full force of law. National Security Coordinator and HM say sa vigilante for no omo ka ho ni nyina no emra no ene omo bedi. Iyoko OSP clash over Asante Belko bribery probe. Enti Iyoko versus OSP. And I say the AXA case involving Asante Belko, no, there's been some clashes here and there. It's so and in Zambia Elkoso Elho. Mahama Ayariga Zanato Juman Rollins vetted, all right. And no. Okay. That is that for the catalyst. The archives and so at the Zambia bar now say recruitment scandal hit Ghana Education Service GES. Successful applicants asked to pay 18,000 Ghana cedis for appointment letters to arrested. Na police teacher recruitment ya ekoso e Ghana Education Service akachi e na chese scandal bi yakoso e wo ho bribery and corruption bi na eya akoso ewo ho na omo chem say successful applicants bi wo ha ye momo efenzen yakacho omo so omo ntua 18,000 Ghana cedis ansa na edo omo appointment letters e de ama wo omo na sa nkrofo na yesusu so omo do omo ho age sa bribery and corruption we mu omo mu mienu de police fo ache wo omo. Nice one. Insult, misinformation don't create jobs. MP admonishes constituents. Joanna Jan Kujo ena okasei. No chirem say some be didi MP bi atem, MC bi atem, aban na tem. No. So be spread false information ne ade no. Enye no ena creating jobs so. Enye no na de adwuma beba ama wanye bi aye. Aha. Ti en no se men kan chiro. DVLA cancelled for number plate manufacturing center today. And the DVLA and so and then paying for a day aso bebo for mene say bema kwan ema number plate manufacturing center say yan say betimi manufacture number plates e Ghana hase. The informer and amede twaso be warned Bank of Ghana gold board losses. IMF reviews, but central banks succumbed to pressure of higher authority. Okay, so I see and be a few about World Bank, Gold Board, Bank of Ghana. They are all roped in all these things. Galamsey now youth employment, Catholic bishops and omuchim say as a Galamsey no, they say no, akaka say and only the main source of youth employment in Ghana here. Okay. The OSP is back. Kisi Ejaben declares rebirth, fires warning at critics as he names 5 persons of interest in Beacon case. OSP and Ochim say now no why abodia for ya won for just say waba back or babe ne juma gidi kra adaje ennipo so now Ochim say nkofo me enum bia wabo omudin no nkrofo bia sa Beacon case AXA Energies bribery case yi no omo ho ebo bi ti eno so ne nsem a efiri ho na eba. Okay. Mame mfa the metro lens mfanto aso. Ame mfa the metro lens mfanto aso. Waka Mahama Ayarga versus Afenyo Marken amnesty case no ho asem amnesty talk no ho asem and waka gold board and IEEA and so ho asem. Okay, I think ne na maka ho asem dada. So let me just move forward to Daily Post. Daily Post. President Mahama cancelled for 2030 Bay multi-tiered car park and airport hotels complex. All right. So this is a project so far. President Mahama ade aso akwa from GMTF Sweden Ghana Medical Center signed MOU to improve access to cancer care. Intino GMTF and Sweden Ghana Medical Center omodo monsa krata bi a friend say memorandum of understanding MOU omodo monsa say beboa ama cancer yare no ebetimi anya accessible healthcare de amasa nkrofo no enyina. Daily Guide and so essay appointment committee okays 3 Supreme Court nominees. All right. And to know SML GRA scandal, OSP gets more time to serve Ofori Atta into case now your movie to September 29th SML any Ofori Atta former finance minister case no versus OSP Nina because of me movie September 29th and you know a Daily Guide actually say ebema OSP more time to do whatever that he has to do. Let me see. Exim Bank fraud. Won't me plea deal fails. Trial to proceed. Okay. Ntini na ye won't me versus Exim Bank fraud. Nsensem na ekoso ewo court. No na moche me say ne won't me plea bi ode court court anim no. Court aboato egu. Enti no asem no ye bekoso a na yedi. Okay. Metwaso ewo the new center or say Galamsey has been normalized. Galamsey has been normalized. Presby moderator, Catholic bishops, president express outrage. I just say as a Galamsey no. Ye kaka oh say normal, normal. I say aya debia e pese normal e organize but anya normal so. Okay. So no nsema e free Presby moderator any Catholic bishops president eho na eba. A lot of the things over here no makan wansem dada. So let's see if there's anything new. Anya sad yeah. Yede eno ni nyina besi hase. Yede ni nyina besi hase. Okay. I think today women in leadership did not even come. So yede ni nyina e besi hase. All right, so that is this for anapay newspaper headlines. Yewo na yedema yesi for any yasho for yebecha umaja ba for crato yeba yene eye Central Expo in paying for ebe shon komo ofia say bye bye ye kwa.
We sell gift shop, a place you can rely on. You call on us and we'll deliver. Thank you.
National Petroleum Authority say, Mawa bambo hu hia ukane. Ain't no, stay back and stay safe. National Petroleum Authority ebo bibia kokose se fuel tank enya akwanhia na edane a menko ho nkwaye wadwen se okosesa petrol ana fango no na afin so menye wadwen se wo ben fuel tank enya akwanhia ne ho akwa akodwetwa videos ana pictures na petrol ana fango wo hwen so uhua ko wo mu a enye sunsun aso bone e wo apomeden sem so fango so eho ahometinti no enfom so okitu ebi ebetumi amaja tom ama na gise ewom eba ne saa nipa dodo timi femu hyehye ehwe mo nkwa emeja pade dodo na nso esei eno nti memfa won kwa nto chacha enye saa obenu ho nkwa na nyina se wo se fuo tanka bi enya akwanhia na adane amafango no ebugu mpo a hwa na wa aman ho da. Stay back and stay safe. Emomo no aya fredum je jumayefo ana posifo no momehwe nso ano wutumi nso efre National Petroleum Authority ewo 0302 550 380 kaise wonkwa wo hoi ehu hia bebre esensa afango no kokoboi National Petroleum Authority ene de bro.
Welcome to King Queen Properties and Investments Limited, your trusted partner in land sale, property investment, and apartment rentals right here in Cape Coast. Whether you are searching for the perfect plot of land, a modern apartment, or investment opportunities that secure your future, King Queen delivers with integrity and excellence. We don't just sell properties, we build dreams. Our expert team provide building drawings and architectural designs tailored to your vision. Choosing King Queen Properties and Investments Limited means choosing reliability, professionalism, and a future built on solid ground.
Anapane ising so that's not Yamena to make good to a papa
Zagadat.
Yamena to make good to a papa that's not Yamena to make good to a papa. Yamena to make good to a
Aquaba. Oh sister, I know be a brider. Give me one chance, make I be a fighter, provider. Go to for my man, make I be a pasta. We need you team, make I be a sponsor.
Agona ejumako Asin esikuma ewutu Igwe komwa efutu Commander infantiman trufo Dentra infantifo freye Azoye Central region First and best and everything
left hand. CM is the best hand. Speed I did, but the squad got the pressure. One task to the vibes at the right, still miss the left hand. Man, guessing my octopus. Me feel it was. And then nobody.
Then they show with their love. Home support, no flow near doubt. Papa from Kada bread to ya, step by step. Still, what's the flow be the boss? What's the squad in the pay could be central raging? Mortal combat adventure raiding or boss shoko. Mempa bat in a hano, a walkily, ya, what topo. It's start of Memina, so commander. Put your heart more with a bad guy. They said to when they feel na so on. Passing it, they no go fi bypass. If you delay, see, you want monkey see. And your wife's ass, so you know handkerchief. Wale for one pam basel yellow weenie ba central tell wanna land the beat.
You confronted. Education number one, tourist attraction number one. You confronted. Human relation number one, fish pollination number one.
We got everything, oh yeah. The school, the tourism, pretty girls everywhere. And if you come to the town, I swear. Cause we got tamu, scarlet and the retrio. Capital Hill be the batio. And you can show we not don't talk of talents. Cause we got tamu, scarlet and the retrio. Capital Hill be the batio. And you can show we not
I love our central region for so many reasons. We have our highs and lows. But Linji, yeah, we know the boss. We go do, and then you pray, miss your way. You and I be stronger. Central we dey conquer. When we get together, tapa with the conquer. I know my boy tell. I come on shewa. Zedro. I see press up me.
Azoye. Central region, first and best on everything. You Azoye.
Easy. Why is it? Every foreigner come this way. Patient capital we still okay. If I not we, who can do that do? If a football we are well pelele. Hot like Kelewele. No we no play, but we are living a harmony.
Azoye. Central region, first and best in everything. You Azoye.
Put your hips.
Education number one, tourist attraction number one.
Lady Couple Macho Berry Papi Shorty Lady Couple Macho Berry Papi Bandana, a big Santana, one Kwankada, Fantafuya, Cape Town Mafia, Second brother, Marvelous and Shoe, Mulichan, a sidekick, Million Kung Fu war dockers. When you said this, then be lovers, when you hate us, then be cheaters, when you peppers. So what's your dinner? One not the quarters, Beige Boo Shorty Lady Couple Macho Berry Papi Couple Macho
Mr. Machi, Koku Krachi, to Wunu Mate na Oban Ate, no Dendati, or Sabati, he puts in onti, a Pionana, forget Nati, or Tabiasi, Nianya Petty, up to Paya onti, I shall won't pebre, the Biodasi, Nanantum Shrew, no straw, Miliki Mitis, watching it that straw, but says so see, Onyaye saw, and ye joye, in your water, swollen bedsheet, why ye poto, salute Rilla, Perry Poto. Anna was here. What you do? Here. What you do? Here. What you do? Here. Wo wie yen wo pie yen wo pre yen wo chie yen wo suya yan so chie wanapa yesa masa adwen dogu kemi ya castle me penny cutie conscious lips slim and sexy with bonyo hips Anita Banita e sweet chick message you to sick film way why no make a come see sorry but no sex no more web play why you vex salute Rilla Boga Rex here what you do here what you do here what you do here one more two Jiwutu be Jiwutu boo Jiwutu shorty Jiwutu lady Jiwutu couple Jiwutu macho Jiwutu Perry Jiwutu papi Jiwutu here couple Jiwutu here macho Jiwutu here Perry Jiwutu here one more two TBT Amel Papa
Zagadat I bring that down, me can't shake it. Me yo lover, ubesa make it. When me come with it, mama who's a pit.
Pilolo, give me the pilolo. Spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Pilolo, give me the pilolo. Wonderful pilolo, and spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Ajay. Me fan cha, baby, make you know cha. 19 day like a bulldozer, yeah. Me fan cha, make you know cha.
Me yo lover, ubesa make it. When me come with it, mama who's a pit. I bring that down, me can't shake it. Me yo lover, ubesa make it. When me come with it, mama who's a pit.
Pilolo, give me the pilolo. Spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Pilolo, give me the pilolo. Wonderful pilolo, and spread your leg like a wheelbarrow. Ajay.
Yebuswaye wo atwemu a ye twen se Central Expo at 5 event planning committee members no mbe piem wa hase na ye no mo atwetwedwumedie no ho enkomo nemom ansa na omobeba no yenye a little bit of an editorial kakra ewo program na call so enra ewo Academy of Christ the King and King Queen Properties and Investments call so ewo hono yen a little bit of editorial about that. So Ningina Ken Queen Properties and Investment paying for ye nana kojokra. I think Odikain, yeah. Na onin paying for no who say gates eda suku your friend is Academy of Christ the King gates na eda no in fact enshem kran enya kra ne sent na ehwo akwa hia se esinya mihira wa na so ahira omo ka ho ntineja o se one ne mpem fortnas na omo ye ne se ombesi gate foforo kra merchant tie roba na omo de ama Academy of Christ the King Senior High School na nyame anim ni nipa ya ade a osa ye gate no mom de efe yie efe ankasa timu say brand new colors ni nyina mpo your authentic or your original. Me sure say colors no mkoto next ventures bibia da na kwa mu fa na chese bibia ayefa nti gate no na wo wo screens no so Academy of Christ the King say uju ho na nye obi na obeka show say nti omoba school first gate dada na e wo ho no omuhu ni sen obi say ono ba no fi say obi fie eno mabo no fi say headmaster ni fie na bia ne parents ne na ba no ba discuss bibi omu yo mbeko school ankasa we hu posa sa school mu ho na na wa ba no ofi say obi fie na omo chem say school gate dada de na nshem kran na nya kra in fact a school no mpo identity but for you nana kodokra aye e dia school no nkwa de in fact eno omo standard pepepe na fine so at the school no na eno omo etwetwe. These are some of the things most of the time na ye pese ye hu ewo ye society no emu most also era mekasa nye bibia na wose ye twen sa aban be ba beye nye bibia na wose ye fra yesu gu aban so na ye fra aban se omra no be na emum no yankasa yakwakoye citizens ewo man ni mu no se empo nipa ba akope wontimi nya ejuma sorry mosques akodro na ewo hon yin na betimi aka enwo abom enwa wo di we ba na meso me di we aba senye sika mpo na wo de cement wo de iron rods onto ye carpenter ni we mason wo betimi esi a na yin na yaka abom na yaye me wo western region me school amekoye government school amekoye that times na ye primary school na kindergarten na meko but me time na we ni kindergarten for ni is ya de duase and your bani yet ho ni church from what we say yes professors future leaders ankasa na yet duase aye chro no and community ankasa share na she every aban home campaign for ba no ma be promises omuwia no maka akotena akra no meja we krase ho no na o mankasa come ho bom na omojije oman sika nti obia contribution obia tuye bi omode koto cement iron rods na anwuane na kanka ho bi omuwe na masons na wo community no mankasa dedicate omo ne carpenters na ade omu dedicate omo no mu see kindergarten the dan correct one ye KG1 KG2 KG3 dan correct one pa dan so mu ewu kwa so say classroom block na aban ankasa ebesi edema school no omankasa siye ma wo mo nte se wo ko na omonkwala ensuade wo eduase biem omusuade wo classroom papa we na ye hwehwe we na ye nyina ye bohu de husanke besi bia anapa imene Delphina ifu ankoma na mene no ewo fiase na obehye na adwen ewo enu a ye nyina na ekoye nteja first hand experience ohun ne ekoso ewo ho me dem akame de ono so what do you think mamele akwaba
mejo so
ati say
nyame na adom na onse
nyame adom wo ho naija abonsam pese onye me neighbor no pay
asa no piasa ho nhyeda
abonsam mi pese onye me neighbor in fact ne bonsam ba kwom dos omo so onye me neighbor no pay but enyi
me worry
mate
okay ni edi kai me chia Coastal TV ahwefo enyina megidi se nyankopon na adom nti obi biara ho ye nso ayewo ha papa. Okay, and to start with, a year endura activity a course so ewo eye Academy Christ the King school no. It's a very good thing. Ni edi kan ye will be a friend no corporate social responsibility. Eno no companies ana edwumeku a ewo eye community bi mu no ewo say oye adepa witimi tu ho edisi ho say ebia wa identify eye problem bi ewo community mu na eno no wetu eho anamo enti sa anamo ntuo no na King Queen's Properties. Yes, etu ye no. Omuhu say Academy Christ Academy
Academy of Christ the King.
Academy of Christ the King school no idea. Omo lucky bibi. No tu neni no na niana na hoden betimi aye say obemo omo we friend ultra modern gate. Yes, entrance. Na AFIBA AFIBA the colors and everything. Inti nyamisha King Queen's Properties say omode adiwe esi omweni so say omo pese omoje edeboa school no and then the community at large. Moving on to the Academy Christ the King school. Most of the times a lot of schools are agidin wagana hanum no. Schools na shada nye bibi gidi sa but then their entrance as a student who school bi mu na say school no entrance no very beautiful. It gives you some bragging rights. Okay, amount for Kembia unso be kebi. Look at the likes of Infantiman, entrance ni manema yefe into sisi anu so King Queen's Academy Christ the King Academy, yes, school no. So say almost they have the bragging rights to brag about their entrance. They have something to hold on to. Before Kasa, they can also join in the conversation and all of that. It's a good thing. And even for the best I say, Jumeku kwa ewo Cape Coast and our surrounding communities no. Coastal TV you say your face, your voice. Yes,
your own face,
your own face, your own voice. We are doing our best. Yes, and representing the views and opinions of our viewers and all of that. Other companies that work Cape Coast Hanums, your best friend will say you also take on the act to do something, leave a mark in the society, just as King Queen's Properties Aje Ama Academy School. No? So it's a good thing. Yes, it's a very good thing.
Yeah. Into no you're not just a boss body na appreciation na ni oguso ayede ma King Queen Properties and Investments na nakojokra woni wapam for na me insure mo adekase a me sure say no pay Academy of Christ the King students bia eju ho na say or adma ejuma amaye ediama school na omonso omakoma ebeto omuyem side list omonso gate no say gate say na work no yetimi ye comparison the school with the
best beautiful best looking gates
ne ya list no odi enima ohala for you
sometimes cry and one the ranky schools school ne shada but because they have a very beautiful gate na MCA omo before videos ewo
I'm not sure
nanka ya chefo ananka senior etie na ka omuni na omahwe entiano na etwaguo no very beautiful entrance over there as I say akran me say na obi ka say because na previously because na gates no ni ho no na ase affect students no in a certain way as a class course na when it's going to help instill some sort of discipline about 9 now ba ana 8:30 na say your lucky gates na say teacher gina gate ano gwa
obajo dey answer
nti we ni na no ebe still a lot of discipline in the students we make sure say about 8 your lucky gates and we say na tie no untimi nkofa bebi say who escape akọ town ana bibi no say everyone is confined in that environment and
there's a security post as well.
Yes
so do na no be we hu pansa na we do gate na no so untimi betwam nkom make just like
not
that
at all untimi scale wo untimi nyehwe
so security so this has added to the security was come on say tighter first na tighter I say tighter I am at the Academy of Christ the King Senior High School. So and only enra jumedia ye koka Ken Queen Properties and Investments na omudi Emma Academy of Christ the King. Okay. And there's another thing, so I'm a person ye share your dream kakra Delphina. It was about this styrofoam banana pay na news and no Nanama Brown preaching professor EPA boss na or count assembly afasa ban no and it's going to start, God willing, next year January and na ye best share and into no na jene say from now up to that time no will be our person whatsoever no with any plastic would na ye amount time so what ton so manufacture so what ton na what ton so that time ni bedru na say wa exhaust was stocking na so na be ya obi anka kasa wa boka nti eno ne asem e wo na eno na nkofo be ka ho asem the production company na kasa rubber production company in Ghana no association no e chemu say ombe boka. They have a lot of stock I be about next year no multimintoni na enwe nti be yanka buy on for dates no enko na se enko obeba na omo kase mo mbani se empo obeba ni a onfa enko na chi na omonye ansa na wabane products no. And there are other people so omo use plastic styrofoam products to take away pass na and empo de na anana professor Nanama Brown so po kase ebi mu de bed ni ade eno na ko resulting in chawompa ni trend na na ejogo on the internet ni ade no. Okay nti nkofo bi so mo de adwuma take away ni ndofoi no mu chemu say eno so best say o medjuma because eno ana mo de it's quite affordable nti eno ana mo de. But during her speech no o chemu say styrofoam if you are styrofoam which is produced from petrol if you are there are other alternatives in fact cameraman o try no yade part to the sense of alternatives we have leaves, we have some packs that are made from sugar cane and only very safe for
sugar cane.
Yeah,
then I'm yet to see that.
Yeah, she was saying it no okuta some I mean person make us say yes rubber because it looks like that pack one shall make us say the same take away rubber pack, but she said that it was made from sugar cane. I want us to watch the video, so MC help me na yen share video no me pair that part and now can the local dialect no. Yes, so that we listen to what she said and what she was when she was explaining all these things no. Yeah, so let's look at that one.
And then I see as I say a sign call back echo the diwom sano ebeboa na ya po modeno ejina so said there yana nanom kanene fo no omunyi cheye no petro atu aduane ma na egu aduane mu edi me did say you won't do that won't fa petro engu aduane enti de ahwede aye de company aye de edua aye de yade ebin kube yadi na ehon no emo ehon no rice husk coconut husk sugar cane any yadi product we mo nti ensan kwa yadadam ahaba na wo ho yen kwa didim yen didi o ya sankem eno na yitsi esese ya san kwa back ekwa didi wom sa no ebeboa na ya po modin no ejina so se de yana nanom kanene fo no omunyi cheye no. Now, at the same time, no way no so a core environment na and hygiene baby. Yes, aluminium foil na or ha. Yet to recycle into what did you move your crown now with the 2 ball of one. Befa, ye aluminium nefrumu. Yenim the idea aluminium. To me, yet no my baby, and I the other the same. Yet to me recycle. Into yet say, yeah, eco friendly. The ever boy environment no. Eno na ye ho ye bo ho de ro sesia monua nam fantafo ye gina Kumase na so mi mda fantafo wo gom ha ya kasa bebre mpanyifo ezikan abakasa ibi aka brofo ibi aka wona ibi aka asante de campaign na ye from EPA de here president wa try hen de ye njai. They yeze take away containers yet to Zibano. Yeah, dam campaign yep I want time work KJT market ha until that you declare the campaign ban on the awareness or the education on the awareness of the styrofoam ban officially launched.
Okay, and see Professor Nanama Brown, Clutchy, and now oye EPA boss na oka sa and semia would say okano. So yeah, that is that. We actually have an alternative. Timomo Bianca say you need alternative. But Delphina, what do you think about this?
Taking the styrofoam out to, you know, bring in the other options, it's a very good thing. But then also let's look at the producers, the manufacturers of, you know, this product. I think did they give the specific month?
No more time frame biana and nobody okay with them.
Just 2026.
Yeah.
Mijidi said this industry, you know, is doing well in Ghana. It has employed a number of people. I think I came across a video of Kennedy Japan of a manufacturing company Kessie who manufacture rubber-based products. Manufacture rubber-based products. Now, looking at this, if you are going to ban it completely, where are those people going to go to?
Okay.
So I think the government should, you know, give them more time to be able to probably sell what is there, and then now look for how to integrate themselves into the new accepted way. But Ghana for buying it a lot of time, but still
last minute for
will block, you know, put sticks into their ears. Look at this the issue of bringing down buildings and all of that. No, yeah, man, for time frame say from this time to this time, yeah, but still breaking down these buildings and all of that, and people will still be complaining, and the whole of lots of that, yes. And so moving forward, say you styrofoam a free honor, you know, the paper bags and the aluminium one is coming into place. It's a good thing.
Yeah,
it's a good thing. But then a major concern was on the aluminium takeaway. Mr. Chase is here, but they are saying it's safe, but when you result to heating your food in it,
or putting hot food inside.
Yes, very hot food inside, and that is when it's, you know, dangerous. And even at the aluminium one, crowd they share microwave, it's so unsafe. Yes, you're making sure say how to go about it if you are going to use the aluminium one. But then the other product, which is the paper based one, and then the leaf one, is also a good thing. And already Ghana watch it let's use that. And
no, you know, some of them and it's just a small number of them no more easy leaves, you know. Most of them have resorted to these rubbers and styrofoam packs, you know.
Now watch leaves no watch my
Okay,
but Mijidi is moving forward. They are going to.
But you have to say that you like it.
You like it.
Yeah, of course, moving forward because they say
yes. Trust me, say. One said these aesthetically pleasing restaurants in Yemen, price and in Yemen get high most of the times because of their packaging.
Yes.
Because the things they use for their packaging is, you know, expensive. So moving forward, I know very well that is going to